guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim your excess illustrations on Adobe Illustrator. So you can either add like the shape of like your canvas, so mine's like a square, and kind of like add it on top and then select everything, right click, make clipping mask. Or you can also just simply select view and then select trim view, and it's going to remove the excess. You can also, well, you have to, when exporting, you're going to click on like the JPEG file, and you're going to select the export using artboard so that the edges will be trimmed, or else it will still stay on your image. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!